Good morning, children. In this class, we are going to learn how to write hints development. First, let's see what is hints development. Hints developing is developing the phrases into full sentences and not merely filling up dashes. It is the expansion of hints, words and phrases into readable passage. It involves time and effort to understand the idea or story behind the hints and develop them into a meaningful passage. Now, let's see what are the important points for hints development. Read the passage twice or thrice carefully. Understand the passage well. If the events in the passage are in present tense, write the story in the past tense. Arrange the matter in 2 or 3 paragraphs. Give a suitable title. Then make sure to use all the hints. Do not leave any point. Okay, children, see the example hints. First, read the passage carefully. Try to understand the story given here. Children, read along with me. A rich farmer, lot of land, cattle and servants, 2 sons, happy life. After some years younger, son unhappy, asked for his share of the property. Would not listen to father's advice, got his share, sold them all, went away to another country, fell into bad ways. Soon all money gone, poor, no one to help him, understood his mistake. Do you understand anything from this? No, because it is meaningless. Now we are going to expand these words into 3 paragraphs and make it a meaningful story. Children, you cannot write it properly unless you read and understand these hints properly. Now we are going to add a lot of new words to make it meaningful and understandable. After adding some words, now we get the meaningful story. The title of the story is The Disobedient Son. Once there was a rich farmer in a village. He had a lot of land, cattle and many servants. He had 2 sons. He led a happy life with them. After some years, the younger son became unhappy. He asked his father for his share of the property. His father advised him not to demand like that. But he would not listen to his father's advice. He got his share and sold them. He had a huge amount with him. With this amount, he traveled to a distant country. He had bad company there and fell into evil ways. All the money was gone. He became poor and no one helped him. Then he understood his mistake and returned to his country. His father and brother took him into their fold and supported him forever. The moral of the story is we should obey our parents. Okay, children, this is how we should expand incomprehensible hints into comprehensible story. Children, if you come across about this in exam, you must able to divide these hints into 3 paragraphs and able to add lot of new words. This takes a lot of time to form it as a story. And don't forget to add a title and moral of the story. Once you are done with your story, read it at least twice so that you can find the errors and correct yourself. Okay, children, hope you understood. Thank you.